Welcome. Question number 24, WASSCE 2024 May-June edition. Given that P is 25 centimeters on a bearing of 330 degrees from Q, how far south of P is the point Q? This is a direct bearing. So let's put that into a diagram. Don't forget, if we are looking for the bearing of P, we have to go to where Q is. They said from Q. This is the starting point. So I have to indicate the cardinal point for Q. But the angle I am going to measure is going to be 330. Meaning that in a clockwise direction, I'll be having 90. Let's just say we have this 90 plus 90, that will be 180, plus another 90, 270, then some exciting angle, meaning there is a 60 degrees added to 270 to give us a complete 330, meaning we are going to have our P in this quadrant. So let's make a sketch of how that is going to be. Let me just say I have this. The point here is point Q, right? This is the north, the south, the west, and east. So my P is somewhere here. So if P is also here, it can also form a Cartesian plane in there, which is also having the north. So this is our P. So the bearing of P from Q all the way is going to be all this direction up to here. But I am only interested here, which is going to be the 60 degrees angle. The 60 plus the 90, 90, 90 give us the 330. All right. How far south of P? Where is the south of P? We know N is here as north, south, west, and east. So if you are moving on the south of east, how far would that point Q be? So I'm going to extend. We are looking for that vertical angle that connects the point P with the point Q. So that vertical angle that forms the right angle here. So this is how far south. If you move down, how far south will you meet the point Q? So this distance is what we are looking for. Let me just use X to indicate that. So we are looking for the perpendicular distance that connects the point P with the point Q. If you look at this as 60 degrees and P is on a bearing of a distance 25 centimeter. With this and 60, I can easily find this. If I know this angle is opposite to the X, this is the opposite. This is the longer side facing the right angle box that becomes the hypotenuse. So in this case, we are not interested in the adjacent. So with our SOHCAHTOA, we are going to cross out any of the acronym that contain the adjacent, the A. So A will be crossed out here, crossed out here. It means I'll be using the sign of the angle 60 equals to the opposite side, X, over the hypotenuse 25. So let's cross multiply. Since this can have our X, 25 will always come before the sign 60 will come. And that will be 25 times the root of 3 divided by 2. When we put that in our calculator, so when that is placed in the calculator, we have our X to be 21.65. But in the possible answers, we are leaving our answer in one decimal place. So we can say that the how far south is, we are going to have Q is 21.7 centimeter to the south. Of P. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye bye.